This is Mike from Ergo Chef with a precision pointer for you. This week's question comes from our online poll. We're going to show you how to sharpen your knives with our FastEdge manual sharpeners. A lot of people don't know how to use this right, but there's two sides to this. There's a coarse side and a fine side. You want to put this on an angle, and you want to start at the heel of your knife, hold down your sharpening tool here, and pull it through. A nice, even, steady pace with equal pressure. And just pull it through like 2 or 3 times, and that could be enough for your knife depending on how dull it is. And then you want to go through the fine side to take off any small little burrs that may have been kicked up and just fine tune and hone that edge after you're sharpening and cutting it. And now your knife blade is sharp and ready to cut. You always want to use the sharpening side about once to every 10 times you hone, because the honing side you can do that every day if you want, once a week. This is a great tool, and this comes out, so you can just buy an insert cartridge for about 10 bucks.